Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking through a quick video tour of our Volvo V70. So this is our 2008 Volvo V70. It's a 2.4 5-cylinder diesel engine with an automatic gearbox. It's covered just over 100,000 miles. Whilst in our care, we've given it fresh service, full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, fresh MOT, new disc and pads on the front too, and we've also had the alloys refurbished in its original silver. So they look really, really nice and clean. It is a 2008 car that's covered just over 100,000 miles, so there is the odd little mark on the paintwork, the odd little small, little pin dent, but honestly nothing worth worrying about in a car of this age and mileage. Inside you've got these lovely cream leather seats. These are heated and cooled and electrically adjustable with 3 memory settings. You've also inside got things like cruise control, AM/FM radio, aux input, CD player, air conditioning, rear parking sensors, power fold mirrors, electric windows all round. It's quite well equipped. Loads of legroom in the rear. These are really, really great family cars. And obviously the big selling point, the ginormous boot. Very, very practical motors these. If you fold the rear seats down, it basically turns into a small van. So yeah, all in all, a really nice motor, lovely 5-cylinder diesel engine, the one that everybody wants in these Volvos. Yeah, really good motor, very, very practical family car. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, it really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.